Right, hey, eighth graders. Here is the talk we're going to have today in class, but I thought I'd save it for your homework, looking at venom and poison and how humans are benefiting from different animal species. Let's get started. First off, we need to distinguish venom, poison, and toxin because we often use these interchangeably in day-to-day life. Toxins come from your overall group. Toxins, any poisonous substance produced by living things. This poison substance, something that disrupts the cellular functions of a living thing. We'll look at some examples of these from different species in just a moment. Compare venoms and poison. Both are toxins. Venoms are usually injected into things when you're bitten or stung. So think of a snake bite, spider bite, a scorpion stinger, a bee stinger. Any of these are venom. They're toxins injected into the victim by anything sharp and pointy. The poison is something that's just absorbed from the environment. We're going to leave that aside, so our main topic is venom, because we're dealing with spiders, and spiders produce venom, not poison. So some other examples from another arthropod. So deathstalker scorpion, pretty wicked. Causes fluids to build up in the lungs, so pulmonary edema. But the same toxin in a different dosage, we can use it to treat brain cancer. This is an arthropod that can kill a human person, a child or an elderly one. Yet we can use their venom to help brain cancer patients. Cobras are very venomous, very dangerous in Southeast Asia. Yet their venom, in the right dosage, delivered correctly, can benefit people who suffer from arthritis. So it's not just spiders and arthropods that we can benefit from. Bees, their venom can be used for cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, nerve pain, multiple sclerosis. When I had my entomology course in college, we had a guest speaker who kept bees, and he had arthritis so severe that the only thing that caused any relief was actually when he got stung by a honeybee. The venom, to him, relieved some of the pain associated with rheumatoid arthritis. Right, so these are just three examples, two from other arthropods, of how animal venom can be useful to human technology, to human society. Pufferfish, these little cute guys, they inflate, if you remember Finding Nemo. Pufferfish, extremely toxic. So if you eat them, if you eat the wrong part of them, they can disrupt muscles, and remember, your breathing and your heart rate are muscles. So if these get disrupted, you're in deep trouble. And yet, the same toxin, this toxin can be used to help people who suffer pain from chemotherapy. If you've ever known anyone who's gone through chemotherapy, it's a very trying, very painful experience. Right, so this cute little guy here, look at that face. Who would have thought he could kill you? But you try to eat him, yeah, you're done for. It's important to note we don't use these venoms directly, these toxins directly. We want to harvest them or be able to synthesize them separately. Right, so we don't want to just stick someone who has arthritis next to an upset beehive and hope they feel better. No, we want to use the chemicals, learn how to either harvest them from the species themselves or engineer them ourselves in order to create the drugs we need, the drugs we want to make. Right, so spider venom and then their silk, for your project, to see how are humans benefiting from these and what's unique to just spiders. There are different types of spider venoms, different types of spider silks. Do any of your target species have venom or silk that humans are looking to make or harvest? And also, what effect are humans having on biodiversity of spiders, and how will this impact the ecosystem as a whole? This information should be incorporated into your final project. So we've seen in a few cases how other species have provided very possible benefits to rheumatoid arthritis, cancer patients, etc. So you make sure you are looking into how spider venom and spider silk also providing new avenues of research and why preserving the biodiversity of spiders is essentially important, not just for ourselves, but for the broader ecosystem. All right, just a reminder, tomorrow or Friday, we have our check-in 3, and this information should be present in some form.